In this video, we are going to discuss another important concept is buffer solution. What is this buffer solution? Buffer solution means that for the solution, you are adding a small amount of strong acid, otherwise small amount of strong base also. That is not going to change its pH value. They can maintain their pH value constantly. That type of solutions are called buffer solution. Buffer solution can resist the large change. This is the large change in their pH value. When even we are adding a even addition of small amount, not large amount, small amount of strong acid, otherwise strong base. That type of solutions are called as buffer solutions. Here there is another thing is called as buffer capacity. The other one is called as buffer capacity. We are going to represent the psi here. What is that here? So A buffer solution is there, B buffer solution is there. For this A buffer solution, I am adding 2 ml of acid, 2 ml of HCl. This changes pH value 2 to 3. B buffer solution is there. For that one, I am adding 5 ml of HCl. It is changing pH 2 to 2.1 only. 2.1. Here you are adding 2 ml. Small amount you are adding, but still there is a 2 to 3 large change. But you are adding more, 5 ml of acid you are adding, but there is a small change 2 to 2.1. At the time this B is called as what? Strong buffer, good buffer. Good buffer always can resist the pH value same. That one by mathematically, how can you say that this one, how much you are adding per liter by changing the pH? Amount of 5 by what is the difference? This is 0.1. Here 2 by what is different? 1. Here 2 value. Here how much coming? 0.5 coming. So this will be the, what is that? It is a big value and it is a small value. Which can resist the pH value 2 to 2.1. Even the addition of 5 ml of HCl, what you are getting? We are getting addition of the amount of pause. Here what is the mistake here? 5 by 0.1 it will be like, what is that? It will be 50 will come. It will be like 50 and it is like 2. Which is more? 50 is more. So it is a strong buffer. A and B buffers are there. For A buffer 2 ml of acid I am adding means 2 to 3 changes. For B buffer 5 ml of acid I am adding means 2 to 2.1 only change. Even they are adding a large amount of an acid, the change will be small. That means this is resisting. This can control without changing the pH. This cannot control without changing. That is why it is not a good buffer. It is a good buffer. Now, how we are telling amount of acid or base added to the 1 liter solution? By the changing the pH. That's what formula. Buffer capacity means what is that? Amount of strong acid or strong base added per liter always. Keep in the mind, per liter by change in pH. Change in pH, this is the formula, is the important one. And this is what buffer capacity, and there are types of buffers are there. We have 2 types of buffers. What is the buffer? One is simple buffer. Other one is mixed buffers. Simple buffer nothing but our last salt is there. What is that? Salts of weak acid and weak base are there. No, they can use as a simple buffer. Our last salt. And now buffer, mixed buffer means here 2 types are there. What is that? One is acidic buffer. Other one is basic buffer. What is this acidic buffer? Acidic buffer, nothing but what? Acidic buffer always formed by the weak acid and its salt with a strong base. This is the definition. What is that? What is that acidic buffer? Acidic buffer is nothing but what? Weak acid and its salt with a and salt of this acid with a strong base. What is that acidic buffer? Acidic base, weak acid must be there. Weak acid like CH3COOH plus salt of what? This weak acid. Salt of this CH3COOH plus strong base. What is strong base? Always we are taking NaOH. I need salt. No, salt means NaOH base. OH remove, acidic acid H remove. What is the coming of? CH3COOH plus CH3COONA. What I will say is that is HA form is this should be common. This should be common. Negative part common. A must be common. What is that? What is there? Some base means here. Here BA will be there. It is general format. This is general format for acidic buffer. See, weak acid and salt formed by what? Weak acid and strong base. Strong base. These two giving a salt. This salt. This salt and this weak acid commonly called as a acidic buffer. So generally HA represents weak acid. BA represents the salt formed by that acid. For this also pH formula is there. I am giving here. For this one, pH. How to find pH? pH is equal to important. pKa plus log of concentration of the salt by concentration of the acid. It is for a acidic buffer. Otherwise, this is basic buffer. What is that? For basic buffer, what you can say? For a basic buffer, what you can say? Weak base, salt of again weak base with a strong acid. Weak base. What is weak base? We know NH4OH. Salt of weak base means NH4OH plus strong acid HCl. NH4OH. This is a weak base plus salt means the base OH acid H remove. What is coming? NH4Cl. That is what? This is what the example. In this also, here HA acid from here, BOH. Here BOH what is common? NH4 plus common. That means positive part is common. BA. This is general format. This also same thing will be there. What is that? Formula. POH is equal to PKB plus log of what is that? Salt by base. This is the formula. These two are called as Henderson equations. These two are called as Henderson equation to determine to find what? To find what? pH of buffers. pH of buffers. These two formulas are important here. That's it. These are about the observations.